And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the offset and the weld panel. And it starts right now. Now I've taken the word blessed, I like the word blessed. We're going to go ahead and try to, first of all, I want to use the weld panel. Is very important to use, or you can right click, which in the right click button as you select your word is simply right here. You don't have to go to the weld panel or do anything of that effect. Save you some time. But for right now, show you the reason you want to weld your words, because you see these lines. If you don't weld these, when you cut, you're gonna have messed up vinyl, and you're not gonna be pleased, and then you have to do it over. I've been there, and that was the beginning, but I've learned from it. So we'll go ahead and select the image and right click and find your weld selection and go ahead and weld them together, which it puts them all together. Now before you click anywhere else, you want to go ahead and right click again and then just group them, just so they'll stay together anytime you move them around your artboard. Now let's go ahead and back up. Now we'll go ahead and since we got the weld out of the way, we'll start using the offset panel. To the right, we're going to find the offset panel button, which is already open in my screen. In this purpose, we'll just go hit offset, and for the distance, I'm gonna just go ahead and leave it as is. Or actually, you know, I see some stuff in there that could be a problem later, so I'm gonna just bump it up one time and then click apply. Now it's already set. We can go ahead and move our original artwork out of the way and highlight it, and we'll throw some color in there. I don't know, we'll just make it blue. There you go, and you have made already an outline shadow. And simple, right? So the next thing you want to do, we've already corrected our image with the welding that you can see right here that still has the lines through each of the letters. What I want to show you now is to do the, I guess we can do the useful tips real quick. Shortcuts using the Alt button. The copy and paste can be very, I don't know, time consuming or whatever you want to call it. But if you're ahead of the game, you should already know that the Alt button can change your icon, your mouse pointer. You can see mine change from an arrow with a plus, because that means it's already going to copy and ready for you to just drag down. Simple. Also, the Alt button can be used to control your zoom in and out. All you have to do is, if you have a roller on your mouse, you can do this. All you have to do is just hold down the Alt button and then use the roller on your mouse. All right, since we're done with this, we'll get it out of the way. Bring this one back. What I should have just done is left it there. I'm gonna put this as a black color. Now we're gonna go into using a double offset compound. So we're gonna hold the select button, or I'm sorry, the offset button, and then we're gonna bump it up like we did before. But this time we're just gonna hit offset again, which is gonna give us another outline throughout the whole entire image. What I like to do is just pull this back, highlight both images, and just make it a compound path, which is going to make both of them into one image, and give it a color. Bring your image back down, and then you'll have your image. Now, to show you an extra thing you can do as well is when you highlight your image, throw that offset in there. All right, bump it up one like we did before. And this is the nice tricky part. Highlight your image, right? Give it a color. Throw your original artwork back into it, best you can, really. And then highlight both images. And here's the kicker. Right click and make compound path with both images, which actually takes the whole image and puts them together and takes away, it's like a subtract button, and it'll give you that image of your outline for your whole entire art. And that's it. So if you'd like to learn more, let me know down in the comments below, and please like and subscribe.